It's December. I literally cannot even believe that this is the end of the year and we're at the end of the month. I wanted to share with you my top 5 favorite things that I found this month. Maybe you can sneak them in for your Christmas present or somebody else's. Let's go. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a fashion stylist, and for those of you who do, welcome back. Before we get started on today's video, I just want to let you guys know if you like these videos and you want to keep watching Fashion Friday videos and they show up in your mailbox every Friday, hit that red subscribe button down below and I will show up in your mailbox every week. And if you like this type of video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and that's how I know that I should keep doing more of these styles of videos. Moving right along, I'm gonna move into my favorite 5 things this December that I've found. The first one is glasses from glassesusa.com. Okay, first, to open this up properly, I am heading to Maui. I go to Maui every year. I was on the hunt for sunglasses, so when glassesusa.com reached out to me and were like, hey, we'd like to show you what we can do. We'd like to show you your products. I'm like, yeah, show me. I'm so excited. I went on their website knowing nothing about them. I went through, it was really cool. The first thing that I noticed that I liked is that you can actually take a picture of yourself and then you get to virtually try on the glasses. So it was really a fun experience. I was kind of shopping for glasses right from my living room, which I think is really cool, and trying them on. They actually cut out the middleman, so it's like a buying direct. Glasses, sunglasses, sports glasses, over 4,000 styles at decreased prices of around 70% off. So you can actually get a pair of glasses like these with your prescription in them delivered to your door for as low as $30. I don't wear glasses, but my friends that do say that they're really expensive. And they do have high-end brands, Gucci, Ray-Ban, Stella McCartney, Tom Ford, all of those designer brands. And they also have their own brands, which are really good quality, which is these. And I really like these. What I did is I went in and I picked a few pair of glasses. So I tried these on. I picked these ones. The thing with glasses, if you guys are out there and you're fashionistas and you want to change up your outfit and you're gonna buy some sunglasses online, you could probably get some cheap clear glasses and just use them for whatever you want. Anyway, so I got these ones. I think they're really cool. So I have a few looks for Maui that I thought I wanted some clear sunglasses, which were a little different than what I normally wear, but I love these. They're just a little more fun. They're a little more edgy, so I would wear something like these. And again, I got 5 pairs for like a ridiculously low price. Okay, so these are interesting. So one of the trends out there, I have a pair of round glasses already, and these are not quite round. They're more like octagon-ish. So I thought they were cool. They're very like hippie-ish, so if I had like a big, you know, kimono on. And then my favorite pair that I got was these Tom Fords. How awesome are these tortoiseshell Tom Fords? So ballin'. Just so you know, the links to everything I picked are gonna be down below. They have a special offer for you on your very first purchase. So click that link, sign up, try on the glasses, and see what you get. Shipping and returns are free. You get 100% of your money back within 2 weeks if you decide you don't like any of them. And the prices are amazing. It's a really cool deal. Mine came within 2 weeks, and I was really happy with everything I got. So again, thank you Glasses USA for sending these to me, and definitely check them out. I'll leave them in a link down below. Okay, my second favorite find this December, I was looking for a few outfits to travel long haul on airplanes. I had a few friends who were looking for those things. I found this velour tracksuit from Brunette the Label. How cute is this? I love it. I was actually in Seattle and I found these velour track pants from Mother Denim, and they had the same striping tuxedo pant, but they didn't quite fit the way I wanted to. And then I found these, and they're like joggers and they're tight at the bottom, and I fell in love. They're amazing. They're high-waisted. And actually, something I want to tell you, there's tons of room in them. So I am 5'4", and I ordered the extra small. And sometimes when you order an extra small, like I'm 5'4", but I'm not like super mini everywhere. And so sometimes it's like really tight. I was so happy when I put on the hoodie, it had tons of room, and so did the pants. Because you know, when you're in a tracksuit, you don't necessarily want to have it like spray painted on your body. So I really loved the cut. I love the material. I'm wearing it now. Great outfit for you Christmas morning, or for someone that you love. If you want to cook it up a storm in comfort, better order it fast. My third favorite find, okay, so I'm not a huge makeup person because Jenny McKinney always does my makeup, and I will leave a link to her down below because she's fabulous if you need to look stuff up or book her for anything. But I was in Nordstrom in Seattle and I needed some makeup, and I went to the counter and I happened to walk by this girl and she was super nice, and she was at the Tom Ford counter. And she put on the Traceless Perfecting Foundation. It has 15 SPF. Let me tell you, I fell in love with this product. And I have tried a few foundations. Some of them I find too cakey. I really like NARS, but it's a bit dewy and I'm kind of oily. This one I love. It's just like it goes on so nicely. There's no top to it. You just turn it and it disappears. Great product. Very light, sheer, beautiful texture. It feels almost hydrating, and it has SPF. So that was one of my favorite finds, and I'm gonna pair that with, I never wear red, you guys, and actually the last set of Christmas videos that I did, I was wearing red lipstick, and it was this red from Tom Ford. I'm gonna show it to you. It's number 16 Scarlet Rouge. So you'll have to check this out for yourself, but for me, I found it to be a very good red to wear. And when I asked the girl at the counter, she said it was pretty much universal that most people can wear this red. It's a very luxurious lipstick. It goes on, it's very creamy. And you know what I like with this red? It's sheer. So I find those heavy reds that are really matte are hard to wear because they just kind of cake on. And then if your lips are even a little bit dry, you're not looking good shortly after you put it on. Love this one, Tom Ford. Check it out at your makeup counter. Great gift to give yourself if you're looking for some new products. Number 3 for me. Number 4, favorite find for this month. I can't tell you enough how obsessed I am. This is a silk tank top from Christine Lingerie. I'm gonna leave the link down below because if you buy yourself any treat, it must be this tank top. I'll tell you what I love about it. It's cut perfectly. It doesn't hug too tight, doesn't hang too long. The silk is the thickest silk I think that you can buy on the market. It's really high quality silk. And it's a V in one side and it's round and a little bit higher cut in the front. Don't mind me, it's a little bit wrinkled because I literally have worn this every day since I've got it. I'm not even kidding you. I throw it on with black jeans and a jacket and I feel like I'm instantly dressed up. It's a tank top by Christine Lingerie. Again, it goes from a V to a round scoop neck, thick silk, beautiful. You look instantly dressed up. I can leave it hanging out because it's kind of got a rounded cut at the front. It's amazing. If you're gonna get yourself anything and you want a silk tank top, I would get this. I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna get it in a cream as well because this is by far the best piece that I have in my wardrobe right now. My number 5 favorite find for December. I don't know about you guys, but I like a nice robe around the house and I have issues with like things that I sleep in. So I like to sleep in a tank top and little shorts, but I don't like to look like a grub. I don't know, I just wanna be comfortable and I don't wanna look like a slob, even to myself when I go to bed. So Costa Bella, I've been wearing Costa Bella. If you haven't worn them, they come straight from Italy. They are designed and made in Italy. Costa Bella is available in most higher end retail stores, or you can look them up online. I'll leave a link down below. But I saw this robe, which I love. It's like a burnout kind of animal pattern. And look at these little shorts. I saw these little sleep shorts and I thought they were so cute. I feel like I can wear those around the house and still look okay. And then I got just a plain black tank top. Now this robe right now is got some sparkles that are coming off on it. It's coming off. But this little crop tank is so cute. Now I've worn this already, so you can see it's a little bit worn. But it's cropped, it's nice and loose. It's double lined, so it's just a really cute piece to wear. I personally don't think I would wear this out. To me, it looks like it's lingerie and sleepwear, but if you're in a pinch and you're desperate, it is a great tank top. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hoped that you really enjoyed seeing these favorite finds. It's really fun for me to share them with you guys, and let me know if you like them and let me know what pair of glasses you liked. I will leave a link down below to all of the pieces that I am wearing in the description box and also each of the glasses. So if you want to know specifically which glasses I tried on, that link is down below. Click on that for a special offer from glassesusa.com. If you guys like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up so that I know that you liked it, and then hit the red subscribe button down below, and I will show up in your mailbox every Friday. See you guys next week.